Hello guys, in this video I will explain you how this probability mass function works. You can easily understand by this line which maps from each value to its probability. So you can understand it easily by this. For example, this is your data 1, 2, 3, 3 times 4 and 2 times 5 and 1 times 6. It gives like this. 1 is 1 times, 2 is 1 time, 3 is 1 time, 4 is 3 times, 5 is 2 times, and 6 is 1 times. Total we have 9 times. 9 total numbers are there. So this what this PMF does is that it gives the probability, so that probability of a number to the total numbers present in that group. So this PMF of 1 is 1 time 1 and total number is 9. PMF 2 1 time 1 and total 9. And probability of 4 is 3 times. 3 times 3 4 is comes 3 times, so 3 by 9. So it's 0.33. This is how PMF works. So in Python, first we have to import this collections counter from collections. This is the function where I take this container of name total, which is initialized by 0, and this is dictionary. So first I have to find total numbers in that set. So I have taken this total and I use this loop so that it can count how many total numbers are there in a set, and then find the frequency of a number. For example, I have taken this 4 is 3 times, so it takes frequency as 3 and total is 9 into 100, so that it gives in percentage. I have removed so that it gives only the probability, not in percent. So I have done this. Data is same as 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4 and 5 times 2, 6 is 1 time, same as I have taken in that example. This is counter function which is predefined in this collections module. What it does is this time is one is it counts the frequency of that particular number. One is 1 times, 2 is 1 times, 3 is 1 times, 4 is 3 times, 5 is 2 times, and 6 is 1 times. Then we have to call this PMF function. This gives us the probability of each number. One is 1 time, so it gives this, yeah, 1 is for 1 it gives 1 by 9, so there is 0.11. For 2 it's again 0.11 because it is 1 times only. 3 is also 1 time only, 1 by 9. 4 is 3 times, so 3 by 9. And 5 is 2 times, so 2 by 9. And 6 is 1 by 9. And when we plot this with the help of matplotlib, it gives me this graph. So I hope you have understand what PMF does. It maps value to its probability in that set. Thank you.